In July of this year, NASA's Johnson Space Center completed a $5 million restoration that returned the Apollo Mission Control Center in Houston, Texas, to its former mid-century glory, just in time for the 50th anniversary of the Apollo 11 moon landing. The Mission Control Room is where NASA's flight control team made history, planning, training, and executing numerous internationally significant space missions. After the room was decommissioned in 1992, years of deterioration caused the National Park Service to list it as threatened. Because NASA is not able to accept earmarked public donations, the Advisory Council on Historic Preservation assisted the management of funds raised through Kickstarter by Space Center Houston. These crowdsourced funds served as a partial match to a $3.5 million grant from the city of Webster in Texas. If it weren't for this unique funding model, made possible under a provision of the National Historic Preservation Act, the preservation of Apollo Mission Control Room may not have been achieved. The public can now experience free tours of the Control Center, in which every feature has been restored or replicated, down to the wallpaper, ceiling tiles, coffee cups, and ashtrays.